In this video, we are going to be printing our first hello world in JavaScript. So I am going to be using CodePen, and in here you will get three editors: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In the JavaScript editor, I will type console.log. This console.log is used to print anything to the console. So in brackets and in single quotes, I will write hello world. And to go to the console, you need to click on console, and here you will see hello world is printed. Now what if I would like to print just a number? You need to write console.log, and the number is going to be 5, and here you will see that the 5 is printed. Yeah, so our first JavaScript code is up and running.